guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It is your boy Banad and I am back! Let's go, guys. And today we're going to be playing Minecraft demo. Let's go, guys. This is not the real version. Just warning you guys, this is demo. Okay? So what I've just made is only this, basically. That's all I did. So what we're going to do is we're going to be making a house underwater. But here's the thing though, there's squids. So this is what we're gonna do then. We're literally gonna use and get some amazing resources. Then after the resources, we're just gonna come on. I thought you're gonna do stuff for me. Jump. There you go. So we're gonna after that we're gonna go get some wood though. Okay, we're gonna get some wood. I don't know if it's gonna let us craft. If it doesn't, then it's gonna be bad luck for us. So I'm just gonna head over to the wood side, and because we're gonna make our house inside the woods, so then we can survive it with the meat and all that stuff in here and the normal things that you do in Minecraft. So I don't know why it's so laggy right now. Let me just kill this cow really quick. Bro, what you doing? What you doing with your man? Hey, I'm about to say 57 in Japan. Hey, bro, don't go away from me. I'm gonna kill you. Bro, come on, where are you from? Got him! There we go. I've set this world into peaceful, so we're good. I don't know if this is gonna actually let us craft. Will it? Bro, if this doesn't, really, I know controls already. So, bro, what do we do now? What do we do now? Oh my god, what is this? Yeah, it's gonna probably not, so it's gonna be really bad. I'm sorry that I'm not doing my screen right now, so let's get some wood. The good thing is that I know why it means by demo, since it's not like the actual version of Minecraft, so you're gonna have to keep it how it is. And all those people who play Minecraft, I'm just warning you, this is just so weird without having the actual version of it. Good thing we landed in a lucky spot. Look at all this area. Like, look at it. I don't want to just be standard in the middle of the desert. Like, right over there. Ooh, I think I know what this fish is. Yeah, it has remaining time. That's like the... I need to breathe. Thank God. It's like I'm playing. It's like this is real life, except it's not. So what do we do now? It's nighttime. I think we should build a house before we start doing normal. I like to do that just because it's not going to be really fancy. It's not going to be like really that easy. But I promise you guys, I'll do the same thing in one of my videos from this year. This is it's literally right now 8. It's going to be 8 o'clock right now. In a bit. Check your recipe. New recipes unlocked. Check your recipe book. And where is that? I say. Where is my recipe book? Come on. What is all this crap? Video settings? Oh my god. What is this? Come bro. This is all cheating. Come on, like, come on. What do I do? Allow cheats. Oh no, nah, I'm not gonna do cheat. Do you guys dare me to kill the squid? If you guys do want me to kill the squid right now, give this video a thumbs up. You know what? I don't really care if you guys give this a thumbs up or subscribe. I'll just kill it anyways. I hate squids anyway, so I know this. Kill this big fat boy. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Nah, I don't feel like to. It's just gonna be so much of waste of time. Yeah, we should start building it once we get some more resources. Oh my! Do you think this is gonna be a good? Oh, for goodness sake! Yeah, that's what we should get. That's what we should do. Make it die! Die! Oh, what the? Oh my god, that was just... No, what is that? Oh, I thought that was new. I thought that was like some other things. Okay, come on! Why am I keep on doing this? It's so hard to control in PC. So, bro, come on, like, come on. What do you want me to do now, guys? Do we think we should do this, or do you think that we should not? If you guys dare me to build a, not only like a big house. Wait, what the? Oh, okay, I think we should go there. Not only like a big house. That's like to start us off. So let's go back there. We're gonna go back to the starting place, and then we're gonna see what there's still in right there. I think I took all of it, but at least it's gonna be a good thing. I'm not gonna build a house inside the forest. Just letting you know. Oh no, let's do this. Let's do this. I live right there. I'm gonna live right there, and then the thing, all I need will be the resources inside there. Let's go with the boost off. Oh, what? It doesn't boost? Let's go, boys and girls. I like the sounds. Okay, there we go. Let's see what was inside there. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. This is where we craft all this. Oh my god. Wait, what? I only need... What do I do? Wait, what? Do I need, oh, planks. That's what I need. Probably. There's no... Oh my god, I need this. Inside with this. Inside the grid. And then I need one more right there. Crafting table! Finally! Oh my god, I've been wasting like 1 year on here now. We should live right here. That's what I'm gonna do. All the thing I need in the crap, I'll be in here. Let's go ahead and see what's gonna be good on this one. Ooh, there we go. This is what we should do. More space, more creative thingamajiggies. Let's go. I love this. I actually love this than the normal ones. Alright, so we're gonna start getting the other things in. I'll see you guys when we're ready for that one. I'm gonna get all of those bricks, and not really bricks, but those. I think it's thingamajiggy. So yeah, let's get them and let's see what's gonna be good on them. And let's go bring it here and then make it. Guys, I'm about to die, so we need to do this quick. Make this some room for me. We're dead. The breathe. I need to breathe. There we go. Need to breathe. I need to breathe. I need to breathe. Start from here. We're gonna be good. Let's go, boys. I'm staying right there. Let's go again. There we go. Halfway there. Finished almost. I might make a part 2 tomorrow, since I can't do it in a bit. So it's already nighttime. I can't pass 8:10 or 8:30 to watch. So yeah, tomorrow's at school. I hate school. Well, partly. Let's say. There we go. Let's get it here. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Thank you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Guys, I think this is gonna be today is gonna be probably enough for right now, and I'll see you guys when we're good. Oh, it's a day 2. I know, bro. I know. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Not next time, but let's go to our place really quick, and then that's where I'm gonna end off for our video today. It's you. Ooh, 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 ooh. So let's go. Breathe. There. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. Have a great time and peace.